In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a second Gmail account. Whether you need a separate account for personal use, work, or any other purpose, setting it up is straightforward and easy. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go directly to Gmail. You'll want to ensure you're either signed out of any existing accounts or simply add a new account. In the top right corner, you should see an option for signing in or adding an account. Click there. Next, you'll see an option to create account. Give that link a good click. Now, a pop-up will appear asking for whom you're creating this account. Is it for personal use, business, or perhaps a child? In this case, we're focusing on personal use, so proceed by selecting that option. Once you've selected personal use, you'll be prompted to enter your first and last name. Type in the name you wish to associate with this account. Remember, this is what others will see, so make sure it represents you well. After you fill in your name, go ahead and click Next. The following step requires you to enter your birthday and gender. This information helps Google to customize your experience and provide certain services. Fill in what's applicable, and once again, hit Next. At this point, it's time to create your actual Gmail address. Make sure to choose something unique yet memorable. If your first choice isn't available, Google will typically suggest alternatives, but feel free to be creative until you find one that works for you. Now, an important step, setting your password. You must create a strong one, meaning it's a good idea to include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will safeguard your account from potential threats. Whenever you've crafted the password, go ahead and click Next. You'll then be prompted to scan a QR code with your phone. To do this, open the camera app on your smartphone, aim it at the QR code visible on your screen, and tap the link that pops up. Follow the on-screen instructions on your phone to complete verification. It's important to remember that this step doesn't associate your device or phone number with the account, providing you with an added layer of security. Once you've completed these steps on your phone, you'll need to switch back to your computer or device to tie up any loose ends, and there you have it. Your second Gmail account is all set up and ready to go. With everything in place, you're done. You now have the wiggle room to manage your communications better, keeping different parts of your life separate if that's what you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope